Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a checklist in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So as you can see, we're in canva.com, and what we're going to do is come up to the search bar here and we are going to type in checklist. So you may want a checklist for multiple different things. You could be going on holiday, planning a wedding, moving house, cleaning. So Canva has got loads of different templates that you can choose from. Obviously, some are going to be available if you are on the pro account. Some of them won't be available for you. If you wanted to create a blank one, you can absolutely do that. But potentially if you are in a rush, then you might want to just have a template that you can edit. So as you can see here, we've got 940 templates available for us, and we've got lots of different options. So you can see, look, yeah, we've got apartment hunting, you're cleaning, we've got a wedding, so loads of different ones that you can do. So let me just sort of scroll down. I mean, look, yeah, you've got one wedding checklist for a month out, which would be so handy. I mean, I have planned a wedding abroad, and it was a lot. So yeah, these checklists are so handy. A 20-day self-care. I mean, I think that's amazing. We, can all need that. Cleaning. So let's just see. Oh, yeah, rentals. So many different ones available for you. So I'm going to click this one, this wedding one. A wedding checklist. Okay, so we can then say customize this template, and then as with any Canva template, you can edit it to however you want. So the colors might be off for you. You might not like the flowers, the color of the blue. You might want to make a month out a different color. You might want to make them I don't know, red, because it could be goodness, or the final week that might want to be red. You want to change the text, differentiate the different, because you've got the final week on the day, the night before. So yeah, you can edit it however you want, change the text. So you can click on it and then you can change this, however you like. Cute. Okay, then that's lovely. So yeah, so once you've done that, you can then, let's change this, make it back to the blue. Okay, cute. So once you have done that and you've got everything ready how you want, you then need to download the checklist. So what we can do is if we come up to the top right and if we click on share and then download, and we're going to have the PDF. So you just want to then hit the download button. That will then go into your downloads file. So once that has downloaded, what you want to do is go to your downloads file, click on it, and then what we're going to do is we are going to right click and we are going to open with Microsoft Edge. So obviously you can print this if you want to, if you'd like a hard copy. Maybe you need to give it to your bridesmaids, your groom. So whatever you want to do, you can do. But as you can see, we've got it here in Edge. And then what we can do is come up to this draw button. If we press this little down arrow here, we can choose the color, the thickness. So let's say we might want a pink, and then you can change the thickness. And then when you have you want to tick something, what you can then do is, here you go, is draw a tick. Please excuse my ticks, they are not the best. And then just go through and give them a tick. And that's it, guys. That is how to create a checklist in Canva. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. It does mean so much to us. We really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.